Hello, my name is Elizabeth Kern, and I chose to do assignment 3.1a on outlines and graphic organizers as assistive technology in classroom. A little background is the UDL guidelines are a tool used in the implementation of universal design for learning, a framework to improve and optimize teaching and learning for all people based on scientific insight into how humans learn. The three specific strategies of UDL are to represent information in multiple formats and media, to provide multiple pathways for students' action and expression, and to provide multiple ways to engage students' interests and motivation. Students, especially students with disabilities, have a difficult time with traditional classroom materials, and being able to meet these three strategies will provide relief for students. Graphic organizers and outlines can be used to help students with disabilities. Students can copy and paste material into an organizer or an outline. The organizer makes it easy to alter the material, and you can easily change the size and color of the text, making it easier for students to connect with their own mind. There are a few great online options that students can access, and I have them listed on the slide here. Different ways for them to either copy or paste that information into this type of format. Both UDL and DI assist in adopting curriculum to provide the most effective learning opportunities for students. Graphic organizers and outlines connect to this by incorporating the flexibility, representing information in multiple formats, removing challenging barriers, and making changes to the learning environment so that the student can succeed. Instead of having students take handwritten notes, allow them to take notes in the form of a graphic organizer or an outline. This will make it a little bit easier for them and provide a means that makes sense to them. They can either do this by copying and pasting the information from your notes, or they could use an assistive technology to help them talk the information onto the screen. Graphic organizers can be created for something as simple as a shopping list or as complicated as structuring a business components. Either way, they're extremely beneficial in the classroom. Based on our readings from this week, DI evaluates a learning style of each student in the construction of activities, and UDL provides an overarching framework for thinking about the design of curriculum materials such as goals, assessments, and methods. Outlines and graphic organizers make the lives of students with disabilities much easier, and it allows them to put that information in a format that makes sense to them. Providing these different means of expressing information is super beneficial for students, and allowing them to choose between handwritten, type, or talking to the computer through a program are great ways to modify how students use assistive technology. And here are my resources.